Are you attending any wedding this season as a guest? Because guest list is ready to host you at Gallery 105 Sindhu Bhavan Road for 2 days, today and tomorrow. Wedding collection, you will have some pure handloom Banarasi pieces, something Indo-Western if you want with the corset blouse, we do have that, something for Gen Zs. And if you want something traditional touch, so OV options milenge. Look at the beautiful jewelry pieces, something abhas, bandhani saris, dupatta saris of floral, tissue dresses. And if you want some unstitched suits, we do have that. And look at the dupatta, portlies and much more. So do visit Gallery 105 Sindhu Bhavan Road today and tomorrow.
Hi, I'm Anil from Pacheri. We are exhibiting for 2 days, today and tomorrow at 105 Gallery SBR. Do visit us. So we have some bandhni options જે Indo-Western તરીકે તમે you can wear it as a skirt. આ મટીરિયલ છે જેને તમે સ્કર્ટમાં બી સ્ટિચ કરાવી શકો. Then we have our this time we have got some party wear kinds of things also જે dresses તરીકે. Then we have our specialized abhas. આ 3-piece set છે. There are some beautiful designs in it and color options. Then we have this kind of top materials. એમાં color options છે બધામાં અલગ-અલગ designs છે. Then we have saris. These are saris. We have sari in Georgette also. And these are some beautiful dupattas. As you can see, there are colors, bright colors છે. Orange, green, yellow.
So this is brand Pohi Studio. એમની પાસે તમને different variety ના 3-piece sets મળી જવાના છે. Look at this, something with the detailing of lace. And if you want something with heavy handwork on Banarasi silk, તો એમાં બી options મળી જવાના છે તમને. They have got more color options available. અને કંઈક ટીશ્યુમાં જોઈએ છે, very minimal, very elegant, તો એના બી options available છે with different color options. And you can check out this kind of Indo-Western with heavy work. કંઈક તમારે આવું detailing જોતું હોય તો એમાં detailing options મળી જશે. And we do have choli sets with Banarasi blouse and this kind of crushed chania, something in red as well. You can also check this out, something in chania options તમારે જોતા હોય તો. And we do have options in portlies as well to top up on your ethnic wear. If you want something stylish like this, તો એમાં બી બહુ જ બધા ઓપ્શન્સ તમને અહીંયા મળી જવાના છે. ઓલમોસ્ટ એવરી કલર ઇઝ અવેલેબલ. સો ધીસ ઇઝ બ્રાન્ડ ત્રિશા લેબલ. જેમની પાસે તમને પ્યોર હેન્ડલૂમ બનારસીની અંદર ચણિયા ચોળીમાં સેટ મળી જવાનું છે. લુક એટ ધ ડિટેલિંગ given. If you want something with the color shades, then this is a perfect piece for the carnivals, haldi and mehndi. If you want something in pastel tone, then again they have very pretty, something in a crush and something with this kind of long blouse. And you can also check out other pieces available, something in Indo-Western stylish along with this kind of pant. Wow, so more designs are available here. You can see the pure Banarasi handloom pieces are here. You can also check this out if you want something in this kaftan style, if you want something with this kind of shrug and crop top style, and if you want to go with this kind of traditional touch, then again you will have a beautiful piece. So this is brand Nirvab કે એમની પાસે તમારે કંઈક આવું જોતું હોય ખાટ વર્ક સાથે તો એના ઓપ્શન્સ મળી જશે in 2-piece and 3-piece sets. Look at that, something you want with the detailing over the sleeves. Minimal piece, yes, with the patta. Color options are available. Something in cotton with the thread work, very pretty.
Dupatta is
Yes, some heavy dupattas. Colors are available.
and sari.
And yes, we do have saris with the beautiful tassels.
So you can visit us on 14th and 15th.
Hi, my brand name is Remit by Reshma, and this time we are into anarkalis like multi-layered tissues and high neck anarkalis में है. ये सब डायबल आएंगे. तो इसके अलावा these type of anarkalis I have. Also इस तरह के लहंगास हैं, all pita work and pearl works. And tissue के लहंगास हैं with dupattas and the blouses. They are also diagonal ones. corset blouses, Mukesh lehenga. Then these rose gold sarees, लखनवी के साथ पूरा हैंडवर्क है, पीटा और पर्ल के साथ आएंगी. Then मलचंदेरी पे आएंगी. And the men's collection. ये काफ्तान्स में भी हैं सर. This type of kaftans are also there.
So this is brand traditions by હેતલ શાહ પટેલ. અમને પાસે તમને બહુ જ સુંદર કોર્સેટ બ્લાઉઝ એન્ડ ચણિયો સેટ મળી જવાનું છે. Look at the color options available. Very pretty, perfect for the haldi mehndi.
કસ્ટમાઇઝ થઈ જશે. અમુક મારી રીતે હેન્ડવર્કના દુપટ્ટા છે, મુકેશ વર્કના દુપટ્ટા, જે રીતનું ગમે સ્લીવ્સ વગરનું બધું કસ્ટમાઇઝ થઈ જશે. વ્હાઇટમાં પ્રીટી કોર્સેટ
Yes,
વિથ ચિકનનો દુપટ્ટો, હેન્ડવર્કવાળો દુપટ્ટો છે.
very pretty.
So we have lot of options in chaniya choli, handwork chaniya cholis. These are દુપટ્ટા. આ રીતનું હેન્ડવર્ક વાળું આખો દુપટ્ટો પ્લસ હેન્ડવર્કનો બ્લાઉઝ બધું મળી જશે. Then the one I'm wearing, અનારકલી with this cape, કોટી છે. એમાં we have options. આમાં બેકનો વર્ક છે.
We are from brand Kaya. We are from Baroda. We have the festive collection of all pure materials. This is Chanderi. This is silver tissue with handwork. This is pure Meena silk with all khatna work. Another color with this paddy to dupatta. Even we have kaftans. This is with a full dupatta with handwork. We have other options in this.
Hi, our brand name is R9 Jewelry and we specialize into 925 and designer jewelry. We have wide variety of bangles, heritage necklaces, then we have loose bracelets, kadas. We deal into pendant earring sets also. We have different kind of studs, finger rings, something like this for the wedding and reception. Then we have something in moissanite, loose chains. This is something in Navratna. It's all genuine stones and 24 karat micron gold plated. Then we have something like this kind of a sets which goes in the wedding for the festivities. Then we have something like this kind of a loose bracelets which you can wear it on anything. Then we have something in traditional which goes well. Then we have something in mother of pearls also.